How to fix slow internet on any device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix slow internet on any device. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is you will need to swipe down from the top, turn off your Wi-Fi, and turn it back on. That is reconnecting to your Wi-Fi. So doing that will help sometimes. And if this does not do it, you can also just turn on your airplane mode and then turn it off. What we are doing is we are resetting or reconnecting to our Wi-Fi. This should fix the problem, but if it does not, you can try to power cycle your router and modem. So unplug your router and modem from their power sources after 60 seconds, plug the modem back in. After the modem lights are stable for about a minute, you can plug in the router. This clears out any system caches and reestablishes a fresh connection with your internet service provider. This is for the router side. Now, if it does not work, what you can do is you can restart your device. So long press on your power and your volume up button, and you'll find the restart option. Tap on restart and restart your phone. A simple restart can resolve any minor software glitches, free up system memory, and close any background processes that might be consuming bandwidth. So you can do this on your computer, laptop, and tablet as well. So if this does not work, you can simply close out any background apps which might be using the bandwidth. So the final fix is moving closer to your router. So just go to the router, just make sure there are no physical obstructions like walls and furnitures which can interfere with the signal. So move closer to your router and see if the signal strength improves. If nothing works, just try to use an Ethernet cable. You can run a speed test and finally contact your ISP. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.